Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2018 KTM 450 SXF Factory Edition. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. We measured this bike's charging output at 13 volts, the front tire at 1530 seconds, and the rear at 1730 seconds. We took this bike on a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that the fork seals are leaking and the exhaust pops on deceleration. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the number plate and exhaust muffler, a tear in the grip, a wear in the graphics on both sides of the radiator shrouds, and scratches on the number plate. This bike has been upgraded with GGR front suspension, an FMF Mega Bomb header, an FMF Factory 4.1 slip-on muffler, a Moto seat cover, OD grips, and a Warp 9 rear wheel. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty, and we also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.